When you see a beautiful view, even if you only got 1 second, stop and soak it all in. Just breathe, even if it's for 1 second before you go back to whatever you was doing. Because that 1 second of beauty and peace and harmony and tapping in with nature will calm you down and make your day a whole lot smoother. Currently in Staten Island, by the beach, just pulled over to just breathe and tap in and, you know, absorb more love, put more love inside of me so I can share with you. Because as you know, love always wins. It's the law. L-A-W. And remember, peace is a weapon. Fill them with peace. And don't forget, I love you.